Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to discuss some information about YouTube's latest edition, #Shorts, also known as YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. Okay, so for those of you who aren't 13-year-old prepubescent girls and aren't into the whole TikToking thing, something that I never used, never installed, never understood, shorts are basically exactly as they sound. They are very short videos. In order for your video to qualify as a short, it has to fall into a few categories. The first thing is that it has to be recorded in vertical video, which is an absolute abomination as far as I'm concerned, and how all the Insta idiots over on Instagram actually made this a thing to the extent where other companies is copying it is just beyond me. It's kind of like YouTube's version of TikTok, and hopefully it'll be full of less dancing nurses. It also has to be under 60 seconds long. And at the moment, your channel size doesn't seem to matter. Any channel seems to be able to create shorts, so therefore it's open to all creators. Although there is a short camera app, and that is currently only available in India, because in the rest of the world, in fact even in India, it is a beta. And in the rest of the world, there's this hacky little way to pin it all together and actually get your short to show. Now the shorts are basically shown in the mobile app down at the bottom. There is or stories and shorts it's called, section of the mobile app. But there are some things that you need to remember. Shorts will be useful for promoting your channel, for promoting specific videos, but something you do have to remember is that it does not add to your watch time. So channels like myself who are not monetized, it will not add to your watch time regardless of if it goes viral or not. And at the moment, adverts do not show in short videos, therefore short videos cannot be monetized. And I'm sure you're sitting there thinking, going, well, if they can't be monetized, it's not really open at the moment because it's a beta. I've already got TikTok and Instagram stories. Why would I do it? Well, that's actually pretty simple. Well, it doesn't gain you watch time and it doesn't push you towards monetization from that perspective regarding watch hours. What it does do is allow you to have the opportunity to add subscribers, and obviously when you're heading towards monetization in your small channel, that 1,000 subscribers seems like a million miles away. And there are some YouTubers who have actually started this with really tiny channels, like a couple of thousand, and then have blown up to like 25,000 because they had one short video that just went absolutely epic. So if you wanted some more information on this, you can go over to YouTube's own channel. You can literally just search for YouTube Shorts and you'll get to this page where it does say that it's obviously currently in beta, and it gives you the fact they've got to be under 60 seconds. Now, in order to get them to show up as a short, you have to use #shorts in the title or description. I would recommend doing it in both because we all know how accurate YouTube's algorithm is. This page gives you a little bit more information about them. Like you can see, can I monetize shorts? Ads will not be served. So there's a little bit more information here. As you can see here, support.google.com/YouTube/answer/100-59070. I literally just searched for YouTube short in order to bring this up. So I hope that's giving you an idea of what you can actually do with shorts and where they may be useful, how to actually upload a short, and basically that everything is working as expected and what you can expect to what they do and do not do. So with that said, I'm now going to finish off this video and I'm going to try uploading my first short. So let's see how that goes. And it's a teaser for an upcoming idea that I've had. I'd like your feedback on it when it hits. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.